everyone, I hope you guys doing amazing out there. Today we're going to talk about the new beautiful baby DJI Neo. This drone is literally launched about 48 hours ago. It launched on the 5th of September 2024. This innovation is pretty unique. I tested it like a few hours ago, guys. What this drone can do is so impressive. Today I'm going to talk about novice, like a beginner. If you're a beginner, you're traveling, you want to use a drone but you're kind of scared, nervous, this guy is your go-to guy. I'm going to show you why you should consider purchasing this drone as your first drone. Because look, it's not FPV, but look, this gimbal guides is so amazing. Like, I've tested it so far, I haven't crashed it, and I flew under trees, it works perfectly. We're going to test it. There's so many modes on this drone. This signs here, what you can see here, there's follow mode, there's a directional, there's also rocket, there's a lot of modes. I'll try to display them over the video. The good thing about the drone is you literally just have to launch it, off you go. Well, without further ado, before we continue the full review, I just want to show you how quick, how easy it is to use. But before the setup, I did a previous video. I will recommend you watch the previous video to see what you have to do before you do what I'm going to do today. So this is the power button. If you want to check what percentage of the power is, you press it, you say I have a full battery, and then if you want to turn it on, you press it once and then you hold it. Did you see that? I don't know if you heard the sound. Now the drone is on. The drone is on because we are reviewing as novice like me. We're going to fly follow me. These buttons here, if you press it once, it will tell you the mode you currently are, or the mode. It's kind of loud, so you should be able to tell which mode you want to fly on. So at the moment I'm in follow me, but I'm going to press it anyway.
Droney.
You say droney, yeah? Circle. Rocket. Spotlight. Direction track. So we're going to start with follow me quickly. All right. So I'm going to just launch it with the follow. At the moment it's in follow. So what you have to do is you press this button, which is just down here. Then hold the camera in your palm for a few seconds. Then you hear the drone will say 1, 2, 3, off you go. So can we do that? Now the drone is all turned on. I'm going to start flying.
Medium, follow, 3, 2, 1.
Whoa, there you go. The drone is currently in follow me. I'm just going to walk to see how, you see, the drone is actually following me. How amazing the drone is. You see, if I return quickly, if I run, it's going to follow me. Now, let's try. See, it's following me. Now it's going to follow me back to you guys. You can see how unique this one is. This is pretty unique drone. As a traveler, I love creating travel content. I bought this drone just to create amazing content. Well, if you want to land the drone, all you have to do is pull your palm forward, like pull your hand forward. I'm going to do that. Let's land the drone. Come on, drone. There you go. You need to be in focus. And once you do that, you land the drone. Well, I'm going to do the second one, which is droning. I believe this one will go up. So let's go a little bit further to see what this one does.
4 meters. Droning.
4 meters up.
2, 1.
So I believe this will go up. So it's going up. So we need to get a camera to look what the drone is actually doing. I don't know if you can see it. We need to see what the drone is actually doing. Well, it's 4 meters. It doesn't seem to be doing what I don't think it's doing. Probably I need to change the setting. So that's the droning. If I really want to land it now, all I have to do is this. It's windy. Well, we noticed something today. That's the first crash. You know, I didn't crash it on purpose, but look, it's still in safe mode. I'm going to change the setting now to see what else we can do. Circle. So this meant to go up and circle around you. All right, so let's do this.
2 meters. Circle. 3, 2, 1.
So it meant to circle around me. So I need to go round. Is it actually doing it? Well, yes. It's circling around me. I need to have the camera so I can see what the drone is actually doing. So you can see what the drone is doing. Yeah. All right, so this is the final stage of my test today. We'll do more tests later. What I want to do now is just to follow me and then probably walk through this place to see, you know, how the drone actually behaves, because it's a little bit windy, so I need to be a little bit careful so that I don't lose this drone. Well, I'm going to go ahead now with my test, so let's see. Always make sure, you know, you place it well so that you don't chop your hand, you know what I mean?
Drone. Circle. Rocket. Spotlight. Direction track. Follow.
Well, let's go. Let's see what this drone can actually do. At the moment, it's in a follow me mode. I'm going to run to see how quick the drone is. It's pretty quick, to be fair. You know, provide the wind noise. I mean, it's pretty fast. It's quite windy as well, but you know. actually using the external microphone at the moment. My main reason is to get this gorgeous sunshine, and I believe I finished the video now. So yeah, guys, what do you think? I'm going to land it now, so let's do it. I'm using the external microphone. I'm going to use the follow. Hopefully we can get to the top there without any crash. The wind is very, very strong today. So let's see if we can go around the park. You know, I'm going to try to see if I could walk through these trees. You know, guys, this drone is actually a unique drone. So consider making a purchase. This is really, really good drone. You know, I strongly recommend you buy this drone. If you're a newbie like me, who trying different professions and trying to, you know, create amazing content, you know, I got this drone here, and guys, I can guarantee you this is a unique drone. This is a unique drone. It's following me. I'll try to see if I could go under the tree. See, as soon as I'm in focus, the drone detects me and then return back to focus. How unique this drone is. I'm actually going to go under this tree here and see if I could actually walk all the way to the top. You know, my current setting is 1080 60 frames per second. So if you fancy to use a unique settings, I believe you get enough quality out of this camera. Well, this is my typical day, you know. I just thought I'd get you guys, do a bit of review for you guys before you make your first drone purchase. If it's something that you really like doing, and it's part of your hobby or your professional photographer, and you're looking for a drone to use, well guys, this is perfect drone for you. I struggle a little bit with the wind, but let's see how it does in the wind. I'm climbing all the way to the top there. Well, so far so good. So far so good. I'm a little bit tired. We've been flying for a few minutes now. I will try to land the drone now. Thank you. I hope you enjoyed the video today. Thank you very much.